Josh, you want more watermelon? Got more watermelon, Josh? Did you say watermelon? What's that, Josh?
What's that? What is that? You say watermelon? Good watermelon?
Is that good watermelon, Josh?
Excuse you.
How do you say that, Josh? You want more watermelon?
That's a big bite.
This is Joshy's first day in his booster seat.
What is this? Yeah? You want more watermelon? Please? Good. Yeah? Can you say thank you? Joshy, can you say thank you? Alright, now I'm focused. Josh, can you show Mommy self-control? Can you show Mama self-control? Yeah? Do you have a happy heart? That's right. More watermelon? Please. Do you want more?
How do you say more, buddy? Say more.
More.
There you go. More, please.
Do you want more? Yes? Barely got that. More, please? You turned into one big watermelon. You said thank you. Good job.